Hey loves, what's up? It's Taylor. I am here to make a brand new recipe. Brand new to me, I should say. This recipe has been around for 3,000 years, and if you like Mediterranean food, if you like Greek takeout, you are going to love this recipe. It is simple, delicious, clean, lean protein, and to top it off, it is so easy to make. Today we're making pork souvlaki. I'm using pork tenderloin for this recipe. Why? Because I don't think it gets a lot of love as a lean protein source. Fun fact, it actually rivals chicken breast as the leanest meat on the planet. You can tell by the very minimal fat or white marbling. Another fun fact, pork is an excellent source of thiamine and riboflavin, both B vitamins that are essential for energy production and nerve health. Many people who get headaches actually tend to be deficient. Also, pork is the primary animal protein source in Okinawa, which is popularly known as one of the blue zones. I got this pork tenderloin from Costco for about $3.39 a pound, a very affordable price. I'm cutting the tenderloin into about 1-inch chunks, a little bit bigger than bite-sized. I would say 2 bite-sized. All right, let's get started on our marinade. I have my pork tenderloin here. This recipe is for 2 pounds, and I got a whole lot of pork tenderloin here, and I'm not sure how much exactly it is. So when in doubt, we bring the scale out. Let's see how much we have here. Wow, that's already a pound. Whoopsies. A little bit over 2 pounds. We have 2 pounds, 6 ounces. I'm gonna roll with it. Put that back in here. My hands are contaminated. Uh-oh, what do? I'm gonna wash my hands, hold on. Washing my hands, washing my hands. Now we are going to start with our marinade. I have a ½ cup of olive oil, good high quality olive oil. This is from Africa, extra virgin olive oil. This is what I use. This is really, really good olive oil. You can get it from Costco. We have a shallot here, 1 whole shallot, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then we have 2 garlic cloves. As you can see, these were 2 massive cloves of garlic, but I love garlic. My husband loves garlic, so we're just gonna use it all. And then we're gonna add some dried spices. I have rosemary here, I have thyme. Like I said, I love this recipe. It's very quick. You can just set this and forget this for 30 minutes, go do the laundry, go do some dishes, go answer a couple emails, and by the time you get back, it is ready to go. This looks so good. I'm gonna cover it, let it marinate for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and start grilling. While our timer is going, I have it set for 30 minutes. We are going to prepare our shish kebab sticks. Careful not to stab yourself. Ow! Oh my God, ow. Do as I say, not as I do. We're gonna lay out our skewers, and I'm just gonna pour some water over them, and the water is going to put some moisture in the sticks so that they don't catch on fire or that they don't char while we have them on our grill. Or I should say, our electric broiler. So you can't have pork souvlaki without tzatziki. Like tzatziki, it just makes it. You gotta just dip the souvlaki in some tzatziki. You need tzatziki for souvlaki. Souvlaki, tzatziki, tzatziki, souvlaki. Souvlaki, tzatziki, tzatziki, souvlaki. You know? Or as Theo Vaughn would say.
You ever had that Tzatziki sauce? Bring it up.
Yeah.
You've had it? Like
The
Greek?
Zach sauce?
No, Tzatziki. Bring it up.
No. Tzatziki?
Don't even fucking tell me that's how y'all spell it.
I love that guy. My husband does not like dill. So I'm leaving it out of this recipe, and bonus, I don't have it anyway. So I am not going to use dill in this recipe, but if your heart is leading you in that direction, please, please, please answer the call. That is the preferred way to do it. But I'm gonna start with grating this cucumber. Obviously, cucumbers are mostly water, so I want to avoid having my tzatziki turn out watery. There's nothing worse than watery tzatziki, right? I don't know, maybe I could think of a few things that are worse. Stepping in dog poop, for example, that's worse. If you have cheesecloth, that works even better. But who carries cheesecloth in like your everyday kitchen? But I should. I'm gonna start. Because there's multiple occasions actually where I've wanted cheesecloth. So put it on the list. Can you tell I'm flexing? Look at all that water. You dare me to drink it? I'll do it. Tastes like a day at the spa. Then we're gonna add our Greek yogurt. Give this a mixy poo. This is already looking like real live tzatziki. Whoa, it's alive. Lemon juice. We're going to grate the garlic right in to release more natural juices and allicin, the compound with all the heart-healthy benefits and the flavor. And some final touches. Of course, we need a little bit more olive oil. We're gonna add some black pepper. That's really good, but I think we could use a little bit of salt. That is good. My husband is going to love that. Did you hear that? The timer just went off, which means our pork souvlaki has just finished marinating and our electric broiler has just finished heating up. This looks amazing. 30 minutes, that's really all you need. You can marinate it for longer. The improvement in taste is going to be marginal, but be my guest, if you have something to do during the day, by all means let it marinate in the fridge for up to 8 hours, but 30 minutes is good enough. Now it's time to skewer the pork and place these babies on the grill to cook. This electric broiler is really nice for small spaces or apartment living if you don't have a grill, but it can take a while for meats to cook all the way through. I use a heavy cast iron skillet to help press them down to cook faster. You can also use this strategy on a grill to speed up cooking. You'll cook them until they reach temperature around 140 degrees and let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now all that's left is to take the final taste test. Gotta make sure I get it dipped in that tzatziki.
I want that tzatziki, baby.
Wow, I cannot believe how tasty that is. For a 30-minute marinade, it tastes like it's been marinating all day long. You know it's good when, oh, you got a visitor. You know it's good when the grill comes out. She smells it. Sorry, baby, there's garlic. This is a dish that anybody can make. You can also sub the pork for chicken. You can't go wrong. If you want the recipe, you can grab it in the caption. Trust me, you're gonna want the recipe. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. It helps more than you know. I am so grateful to be here, eating with you guys, sharing my favorite recipes that are not only simple, but healthy too. I'm Taylor, this is Food Happy, and I'll see you in the next video.